Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to sell digital products on Gumroad. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel, and you want to start selling ebooks, templates or digital art without dealing with complicated websites. Gumroad makes it super simple in 2025. Let me show you the step-by-step on how to set up and kind of like get your first product up and running. All right, so we're going to be covering the account setup, product uploads, pricing, and a couple of advices here and there. And let's get into it. So go ahead and log on to gumroad.com. Once you're here, it's pretty easy to get started. All you need to do is go over to start selling. Once you've clicked on the start selling option, you're going to be taken to the sign up page where you simply sign up for Gumroad. It's a very simple feature. It's a very simple procedure. Just go ahead and sign up for Gumroad and you can get started with selling your products. All right. So once you've logged on to Gumroad, once you log on to Gumroad, you're dropped at the home page. We have the welcome aboard, which involves making a Gumroad account. And then we also have a couple of onboarding procedures like customizing your profile, getting your first payout, making your first sale, build your tribe, that's to get followers. And you can see your activity at the bottom as well. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting our first product set up. So head over to the products menu on Gumroad. So click on products and then go ahead and click on new products. When the products menu opens up, click on new product. All right, and then you're asked, what are you selling? So basically, you can give the product a name. So let's go ahead and give it a name first. But I do have to tell you that there's a couple of products you can sell on Gumroad. You can sell 2 or more existing products for a new price. That's a bundle. If you have another product, you can kind of like pair it. We have the digital product, any set of files to download or stream, a course or tutorial, an ebook, a membership. All of these can be sold on Gumroad. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the digital product as that is the easiest. And now you just have to give it a product title, kind of like, let's give it, okay, let's go with this. All right, so I've given it a name, and now all you need to do is go ahead and click on customize. But at the bottom of the section we have price, so you can go ahead and give it a price in your local currency, which is natively set to the US dollar. So you could just go ahead and give it a price. Okay, so let's go with this and then go ahead and click on customize. All right, so you're dropped on the products sub menu here. This is where you can actually customize your product. So we have the description, so you can go ahead and describe your product. You can also create a custom URL of sorts. You can just make it /grass, seeing as the name is grass, and then you can copy this custom URL to your clipboard. And then we have the cover photo, which is essential for kind of like getting people hooked on what you're trying to sell. And then we have thumbnails, which is basically the same thing as a cover photo. It's basically the same. And then for product info, the call to action should be buy this, and then the summary, you'll get a digital. And then next, you can now add additional details to your product as well. And all you need to do now remains just describing your product and integrations. So you can invite your customers to your Gumroad community chat, invite your customers to a circle community, invite your customers to a Discord server, and the pricing is here. And you can also do something cool. You can allow customers to pay what they want. You can read up on that, but I'm just going to allow customers to pay in installments and equal monthly installments. And then if you have variations of your product, you can add a version of this product. Like you can see, I put grass, so I can put yellow grass, green grass, blue grass, all that kind of stuff. And then for settings, you can limit product sales, allow customers to choose a quantity, publicly show the number of sales on your product page, mark the product as an publication, specify a refund policy, require shipping information. Yeah. And then if you have a custom domain, you can include that as well, so they can check out your stuff there. And then if you head over to the contents page, we have enter the content you want to sell. So this is pretty important. All you need to do is click on the upload files. So click on upload file and then click on computer files. So it's going to open up your computer, and now you can simply upload what you want to sell. So I'm just going to go with this and then click on open. As you can see, it's uploading the image onto the platform. And now if you head over to the share menu, you've got to publish your product before you can share it. All right, that's really cool. You can also add a piece of information, something of that sort, but just go ahead and click on publish and continue. And then you have to confirm your email. So yeah, you can now simply copy your custom URL and simply share this URL to people on the web. You can sell it, you can share it to social media platforms, you can share it to anywhere you have a social media presence, you or your business have a social media presence. You can simply add this link there and try and boost sales. I would recommend running ads if you want to, kick off running quickly. On the business side of things, you're going to have to run ads and things of that nature. So guys, after customizing your products, make sure you use headings, bullet points, images, and just to be clear on what you're trying to sell. Try and make a user-friendly kind of environment for your customers. And then after publishing, you can get the link and paste on your social medias. All right, so okay, so it's basically simple. Just sign up, upload your digital file, set your price, share your link, and Gumroad will do the rest. Some certain sales, Gumroad would send the buyer a download link for them, as well as a receipt. And then you can add updates to your products, like a version 2 of your product. And then you can also track sales with Gumroad. It has a built-in analytics system, which is just here on this tab to the left. You can see analytics, you can see payouts, and you can see sales. Let's go ahead and take a look at sales. So on the sales menu, manage all of your sales in one place. Every time a new customer purchases a product from Gumroad, their email address and other details are here. So you can go ahead and click on start selling. All right, guys. So that's a bit about everything on Gumroad. You can get your digital art and things of that nature from Canva or Printify if you're selling shirts and things like that. And yeah, so comment down below if you have any questions, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.